To begin our event with grace and peace, we have a beautiful prayer dance inspired and prepared by our talented students. This dance will invoke blessings for the success of this event and wish well-being and happiness to all of us. Let's enjoy this mesmerizing performance.
Thank you all for this wonderful performance. I would like to call our honorable chief guest, Mona Lisa Francis, to inaugurate the science exhibition.
When it is in the water, then it will go into the tank and that motor will flow water directly to the pump. And ma'am, in drip irrigation, we have used a certain hose to flow water in the pipe, from which the head through which water from the pipes will go directly to the roots of the plant.
Oh, all different learning form. Yes, very nice. Manipulating arts. Okay, you're rotating it, right? Oh.
In this we have made aquaponics farming in which the fish and plants are there in a symbiotic relationship. So the fish excrete their waste and it will go to the plants, and the water they will take the nutrients from the waste, and then it will again filter to the fish tank. The water will come from here and it will Diksha, and I'm from class 8th A. Today I'm going to explain you that involvement of history in mathematics with my partner Srishti. So here, as we know that history is a very important subject which tells us about the past and present and the upcoming modern time. So as we know that the earlier buildings which were made are totally dependent on mathematics, because the surface area, height, diameter and everything is totally connected with mathematics. Here is a device known as clinometer. You can use it to measure the height of very tall buildings such as Mount Everest. We have used a clinometer to measure the height of all the mountains. So it's very important topic.
More than 90 degrees and less than 90 degrees. Then we can present
Then photo resolution is
yes.
but it is not for dog.
Yes.
And my name is Takish.
And this is for what? Decoration? On LED. Okay. This is working. Can you show me one correct one? Thank you.
That means it can go. लेकिन अगर लोड ज़्यादा है तो मैंने इसको प्रेशर बनाया barricade of the hook means it cannot even loads are there. So this model is made to prevent all these diseases.
Here, the head girl is standing, the smartest one in the school, getting the best privileges, and the celebrity school. We're talking about the women empowerment.
Yes.
And it's a good use of the school. Very good.
System is and politics for multiple. This is how ancient are. You can see like some past symbols here. In which we can see Vaishyas, Shudras, Brahmins. So Brahmins were considered superior. Then comes the Kshatriyas and Shudras, and then Vaishyas and Shudras. And this was a slavery system in which humans were taken as slaves and they were forced to do the work. This is
As a modern lady, what is your step? What would be your step? Or what
my step is to abolish all these things and make
How do you prepare yourself? Access granted, yes. Your this thing is not working properly, but I'll see you showing you.
So here comes the one of the attraction of our science exhibition. What is your name
My name is Kushagra Vashni.
and what you have made?
Me and my team have made the model related to Chandrayaan 3 that was launched on 14 July by Satish Dhawan Research Center in Harikota and which landed on the south pole of the moon on 23rd of August 2023. So we have made the model of that Chandrayaan 3, the Vikram lander. We have also made the model of the rocket in which it was launched, and we have made the robot.
Can you tell me that what are the electrical appliances that you use in this?
We have used the sensors Arduino, which act as a microcontroller to make the Pragyan rover. The Pragyan rover have one quality, that it is obstacle avoiding. It can sense the obstacle in front of it and can change its route automatically. And here it is our robot.
Now next we have natural farming model. She is so very exciting to explain this. So let us ask her what she has made and what are the things used in this.
My name is Ananya Gupta from class 5th A. This is a project of natural farming. This is an aeroponic which does not need any soil and water. It only needs air. Like that we have to put it in this, the wire attached there. It will work like that.
Okay.
This is a bottle farming. It is a technically use of hydroponic farming, which introduced by a farmer. This is my project, natural farming.
And from where you get this idea?
From Google.
From where?
Google.
Google. Thank you.
Let us move to another model. So, what is your name
My name is Samir Chaudhary.
and what you have made?
I have made a Venn diagram generator. It works with a motor at the bottom. We need a nylon belt and it is rolled over the motor. And we have used two metal brushes. One is placed over here and one is placed here. So when the motor is started, the belt starts moving, and when it scratches the metal brush, it produces negative and positive electrons. And this is a power supply which produces positive electrons. The
What
negative
is its use? Where it can be used?
It can be used in the factories to produce a static charge.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
Now let us move to the next model of a computer expo. First of all, what is your name
My name is Keshav Pandey, and
and what you have made?
I have made the simple parking project in which it shows the parking slots left and the parking slots which are occupied. So firstly, I would like to tell you about the parking slot. It is based on the Arduino, and this is the cable which is connected to the laptop in which the code is coming to this Arduino board, and then Arduino is sending the signals to the breadboard, and the breadboard controls both the sensors and the display. So firstly we will come to here, and this both the sensor will take our entries, and then this will be placed in the slot, and it will show that 3 slots are left. So we will again take our car, and again it is showing 2 slots are left. It means these both 2 are left. So again we will take our car, and then it will say 1 slot is left.
Okay.
After this we will again take our car, and slot 0 left. It means all the slots are occupied, and when after that we'll take it, then it is saying sorry, parking is full.
Now let I take you to the computer expo. Here our friend make the electrical games with the help of coding. First I will take you with my friend Abhay. What you have made?
I have made my own Bluetooth, and his name is Nectune.
And what are the components you use in this?
PPT.
So can you show?
Yes. So my brand logo is this Nectune. So we are 4 members in this team: me, Parth, Poor, and Sanchit. The components you are asking, what I have put it, you can see. This is the basic picture. After the project completed, I have taken how the circuit looks. The Bluetooth, the main thing which will connect from your mobile and give you the voice. Second, how to charge it after completing after it will be discharged. The charging can be rechargeable by the Type B charging module. For voice decreasing and increasing, we have used some modules like this. You can take the picture. And for on-off button, we have take a long press button. In this, we have 3 modules. Like first is a FM mode, second is a SD card mode, and a third is a Bluetooth. And for voice increasing, after our project completed, we get to know that our project voice is coming very low. So these components is used in mainly the televisions and the big screens. So we use this, but the project looking very nice. So the batteries use the lithium battery 3.7V. And the wire, I have taken the earphones and cut it and used in my project.
Okay.
I have used also SD card port for the person, those who are having keypad phone, they can use this. And the mini wires. And to give a basic support,
PVC pen.
I have used the PVC whiteboard to give a basic structure to it.
And how much time did you take to complete this?
Maximum of 1 month.
1 month. Okay, thank you.